Welcome to the Arabic Calligraphy with Hamid Iqbal Khan. This is my first detailed video about Arabic calligraphy. I am Hamid Iqbal Khan, a third generation calligrapher. I am teaching you the basics of Arabic calligraphy. I have been doing the calligraphy for 30 years. I often get advised and requested by the people who have the passion to learn Arabic calligraphy that I should make some detailed videos about basics of calligraphy in English language for those who don't understand Urdu. So viewers, I'm here to give you some tips and tricks about Arabic calligraphy. There are various different types of Arabic calligraphy scripts and columns and inks. You will know everything by watching this video. I have made a video on my own work. I wrote Bismillahirrahmanirrahim in different calligraphy scripts. I'm showing you one by one and also will tell you the names of that script. First of all, watch this script. This is called Nastaliq and this one is used for Urdu calligraphy. For Urdu language we use this script. And the second one is in front of you is called Khat Suls or Sulus. We write Thuluth. So this is third one. It's called Khat Naskh. It's used for Quran calligraphy, Quranic calligraphy. This is easy to read. And this is in front of you the fourth script. It's called Khat Divani. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I have written in Khat Divani. Now in front of you is Khat Kufi style. This is called Kufi style. The style of Kufi is very old one. This is Khat Rika. In front of you can see Bismillahirrahmanirrahim in Khat Rika. And now I am telling you about Khat Rana. It's written Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim in Khat Rana, invented by my father Ibn Kalim. First of all, I am making a detailed video on Sulus style and complete variations about ink, calligraphy inks and calligraphy pens. Guys, you see these are the inks I got from the local market, my own local market. This is Omega drying ink. It's available in black, red, blue, green and brown colors. You can search any drawing and calligraphy ink from your local market yourself, and you can prepare an ink pot for dipping the calligraphic column. If you feel difficulty to find calligraphy inks, columns and materials, then write to us. We will provide you. We can arrange the material for you. Now I am introducing the pens, calligraphic columns. This is I am showing you, it's called quill pen. I made this myself with quill of an eagle. I made this with a cutter, like I made it in column shape. This is a bamboo column. This is a thick column for writing thicker calligraphy. You can make like this yourself. These all are bamboo columns. The second one, this is also a bamboo column and having a thin nib, and this is more thin nib column. These all are wooden bamboo columns. So this is another one. You can see from the both sides that how to make the columns. By observing the shapes of these columns, you would be knowing that how to make the columns. So observe them and see how I made them and how I sharpened them, how I made the cut of that column. Look at this, another one, and look at the angle of the column. The cut is made the column in oblique shape. In oblique shape it's cut. Now put the columns, I am putting them aside to tell you that how to make double pencil, how to hold double pencils. Now you can see I made this with the help of compass. I made this. So I fixed two pencils in compass to make them fix in size, so that while writing the size of the writing should not be changed. The cut should be same while writing. So this is white poster color. The name of this brand is Cora, and this is silver color, Windsor and Newton Company silver color. Now this is golden cut marker we use to write Arabic calligraphy, sometimes with the golden cut marker. So observe how to write it. Dear students, now I am going to teach you that how to make a calligraphy ink. This is very interesting, that how to make calligraphy ink. I got this pure cotton thread from my local market, and with the help of this thread I am going to make Arabic calligraphy ink in front of you. Please watch carefully. So I am putting this thread in empty jar. I got empty jar from the market. These jars are used for medicine purpose. So I will put this thread in empty jar. I am fixing this, and now I am putting this in empty jar. Look at this, and fix this. Okay, now let's make the ink. Now I am using red ink in this. Have a look. I put this in the empty ink pot, and I am adding red ink, drying ink in the ink pot. If you feel ink is thick, then add some drops of water into it. So dear viewers, I hope it will be easy for you to make an ink pot for proper calligraphy. Now look at how to dip the Qalam into ink pot. I am making some dots just to make you know that how to hold Qalam. Now let's start our Sulus script lesson, how to write Alif. It should be 7 dots tall. Now how to write Alif's head, please watch it carefully. It should be 7 dots tall. Total Alif height should be in 7 dots. Dear viewers, now how to write Bay. I am making the head of Bay now. The head should be in semi-circular shape, and at the end you should twist the pen and make it in round shape. Please watch it carefully, that how to draw Bay. This is Khatte script. This is called Khatte, and we measure the letters with the help of dots. If we use thick Qalam, then its width is thick and the letter size should be big, so the proportionally size would be measured about that same Qalam. Now the Bay, these are two types of Bay. So I am making the second one. Dear students, from the bottom, the head of the Bay should be 1 dot up. Its width should be 6 dots. There are two types of Bay, you can see. Now I am writing Jim. Have a look how to write Jim. Jim is also having two types of Jims. First one is having half circle, and I am making that one shape. Its head should be 5 dots, and other measurements you can see I am putting dots for your convenience. Now now I am making dots with yellow highlighter, but I think it will be difficult for you to observe while I am putting the dots with yellow highlighter. I will overwrite on this yellow with red also to make it prominent. So this is full script. I have written Alif, Bay and Jim, and these I am also writing with their details of measurements with the help of dots. I hope you found my video beneficial and I haven't bored you too much. Keep watching. One day, inshallah, you would be writing like me. I will come with the next letters of Arabic calligraphy in the upcoming video. It's requested to subscribe our channel and help revive the noble art. See you soon. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.